Today I am going to explain activity 3.4. In question number 1 part A, you have been asked to explain the main differences in operation of a laser printer compared to an inkjet printer. You can see it from here that an inkjet printer comprises of nozzles that spray liquid drops of ink on paper like this. I have searched the internet for showing you the types of nozzles that spray liquid ink on a sheet of paper. So liquid ink is sprayed by the nozzles of an inkjet printer. And as far as the laser printer is concerned, it comprises of 2 or 3 rollers. One roller sprinkles powder on a sheet of paper. The other roller melts the powder on the sheet of paper, and the third roller dries it out. So you can see that this is one roller, and on this roller the powder which is negatively charged is attached to the positively charged paper like this. And you can see that over here in this picture you can see that this is the drum and this is the toner reservoir, and the powder is being sprinkled on this paper, which is being passed through a fusser. So let me show you the answer from your book also. That in your book you have been told that the laser printer basically is used to spray liquid droplets of ink on paper, which is comparatively expensive, and the laser printer sprays powder, which is comparatively cheaper and is a comparatively faster option. Now let's come to the answer. This is the answer. Differences between laser and inkjet printers. You can see that the laser printers use dry powder ink, make use of the properties of static electricity to produce the text and images, because negatively and positive the paper is positively charged and the negatively charged powder is attached to the paper. Print the whole page in one go, not line by line. The inkjet printers use liquid ink, use print head, which consists of nozzles that spray droplets of ink onto the paper to form characters. They print one line at a time. Now let me explain part 2. Name one application of the laser printer and one application of an inkjet printer. Where can we use? What are the situations in which we can use the laser printer? And what are the situations where we can use the inkjet printer? Inkjet printer. So you can see on page 105, this is the answer. On page number 105, inkjet printers are often used for printing one-off photos where few pictures of good quality. Actually, this is the answer, that excellent quality pictures are required. When you require excellent quality pictures, you need inkjet printer. And when you need bright colors and small paper trays, small ink cartridges, so inkjet printer will be used in case of bright and high quality expensive images. When you need inexpensive images and you require very fast output and you need high volume, many pages at a time, you need to print many pages at a time. They can be colored or they can be black and white. Monochrome means black and white. You will use a laser printer, and it will produce a large number of high quality flyers or posters for you for advertising. And they have two advantages. They have larger cartridges and larger paper trays to print large sized prints. Now let's move on to the next question. For each of your named applications, give our reasons why the chosen printer is most suitable. I think I have discussed it enough that this is the application, that high volume, and we are giving the reason that the, the laser is used for that laser is used for bulk printing of or for advertising, and we have discussed that we use inkjet printer where color printing of high quality is required. Now you in question number 2 you have been given 9 options and you have to rearrange them, and these options are related to the working of an inkjet printer. They are jumbled up over here, but you can see that on page number 104 of your book, all these processes of inkjet printers are written in one sequence. So the correct answer will be CEGAIBFH.